everyone knows that life is tragic. And everyone knows that to exist is to suffer. And one logical and appropriate response to that is to be grateful in spite of your suffering and attempt to make the best of it, and perhaps to alleviate that where you can. And another is to take the perspective of Mephistopheles and to say, no, no, the whole thing's flawed right from the beginning. If this much suffering is the price of being, then we should just eradicate the whole mess. And people think like that all the time. Like Harris was thinking like that permanently by the time he did what he was doing. But such thoughts enter the theater of people's imagination very, very frequently. It happens, for example, if a family member falls prey to some unforeseen and undeserved catastrophic occurrence. It's the sort of thing that makes you question whether existence itself has any value. And no wonder. The problem is if you draw the conclusion that suffering itself invalidates the moral claim of reality to exist, what happens to you is that you instantly become an agent that makes suffering far worse. And so it's not a coherent argument. You can't say that you're the advocate of obliterating something that you're in the process of multiplying.